Yep, those are vice grips holding up this hood. So what can you do about that? Well, we're gonna replace these. These struts need replaced. How do you do it? Stay tuned. All right, looking at these, here's the problem with these. Typically, if you do any other gas struts, most of the time all you gotta do is get you a screwdriver, and there's just a spring. Just a little clamp on the edge. You get your screwdriver under it, pop it loose. Lexus, well, I guess they got to do something a little different. So you'll need you a 12mm, and you've actually got to take this entire little piece out, which is not bad, but it's definitely not optimal. You would think that the little spring clip style would be more than enough, but it's not. So out comes your old. I'll do the bottom in just a second, but I just want to show you how quickly you've got the new one to go in. I'm gonna drop it. It'll probably take me longer to get into the packaging than to put the new one on. Don't forget the open part of the strut goes down, and these come with this. Here's your new one. This has the push style clamp. See? This is what you were hoping to work with. And this is what I'll be working with on my new ones from now on. So I'm gonna put these little balls back where I took this one off and then push it on. So let's do that real quick. I'm not gonna do any fancy editing on this video. We're just gonna get her done. Told you it's hot out here. Kids are playing in the water right now. 80 degrees. It's like teens and single digits the other day. Welcome to Alabama. Was that cold? Was that cold? Yeah? Okay, well, trying to get more in here. We don't want to get it on parts. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. You probably still can't. Same thing down here, 12mm. Just taking this old one out. Now, is there a way to push these off? Maybe. I don't know. Never done it. I've just taken them off and replaced them like this because they always come with the new hardware and the new push-on clamps. If I don't do it, remind me, and I'll throw the link in the comments below, or maybe the description. But the description would probably be a better place to put your link. But I'll throw the link for where I bought these. These are just off of they're just eBay. I mean, it's nothing special. Nothing special. Throw you a 12 on there. All right. And then, when it's time to put your new one on, we'll back you up so you can see both of them. Maybe it's not too crooked. Maybe you can see both of them. But the new one, again, gas strut portion goes down. It's nothing but push on. And that's why put that part on first. Push on. Now I can't pull it off. And this is the style that when it's time to replace, you take a flathead, there's a divot right here, you dig it in behind it, pop this spring clamp off, and it just pops right off. Push your new one on. So those were the OEM struts that we're gonna put them, the Lexus ends. So no spring clamp. So no good way to take that one off, but 12 millimeter, pop it right out of there. So hope that helps somebody. If it did, smash that like button for us. Comment below. Tell us what you need to tell us. If you got any questions, throw them down there. And we'll catch you on the next one.